A new project for a new restaurant. And top of my list was figuring out how I could make the most of the kitchen space. I needed a practical solution with innovative equipment that was easy to use and cost-effective for my customer. An invitation. I wasn't expecting an invitation for an experience that would help me find what I was looking for. When I arrived at Lainox, I was greeted with true professionalism.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
I'm John Wiggins. I'm here for Lainox Tour Experience.
Welcome in Lainox, Mr. Wiggins.
Thank you.
Please, register here.
Okay.
Il signor Wiggins è arrivato. Grazie. This is your pass.
Thank you.
And the colleague is arriving.
Oh.
Thank you.
Good. Thank you.
Hello everybody. How are you? Okay, fine. Welcome here in Lainox. Today we are going to see how here we can create...
Alberto was incredibly clear in presenting the company's vision and mission for the future.
Is in the market the leader with 77 companies in his holding, plus share these three important words. Everybody is connected to one.
Today we're going to stay together 1 hour where we're going to see the Just Do It technology.
Then I was given the opportunity to discover firsthand the exclusive benefits that this device can bring to a kitchen, becoming the chef's partner in such an intense and creative workspace.
And now, once again, with the one-touch technology, so if I can borrow your finger for just a second.
I found it all very simple, intuitive, and straightforward. Exactly what I was looking for.
So now the unit is calling us with a simple click. I open the door, load the food into the unit, and with a simple click, I will start cooking. So you can hear also the food calling us, telling us that the food is ended. So we open the door, remove the probe, and here we go with the final result.
Guido Gritti, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, John.
Nice to meet you. Welcome in Lainox.
Okay.
We can have a walk through the
Thank you.
plant, so I can explain how we work in our operations. You have to think about the plant in terms of material and process flow. We have the materials that come from that gate, go through the warehouse and the supermarket, through out the lines, and go out from that gate to the shipment area, in which we have the assembly lines for the different models of our ovens. Here you can see the production lines, and we have the production that is organized and comes from the customer order and the test bench and packaging area. But for the test bench, I explain to you better and deeper later. The assembly line, using the trolleys that I...
Visiting the production facility made me realize how much work goes into organizing the production process, especially into the meticulous quality checks.
The assembly line here are three and are organized with Now it's very important for me to understand what is your thinking about this visit.
Oh, I'm excited about it. I think it's a product very, very interesting to all need.
Okay.
Really, really.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much to you.
I felt like I was part of the process, and that everyone I met understood the problems I was facing. All my questions were answered with passion and enthusiasm.
Here we go. Here we are in Bologna, in one of the main streets, and I will bring you to the Mercato di Mezzo. Mercato di Mezzo is one of the most important sites.
Then, Alberto took me to an international city, somewhere I could observe everything I wanted to learn about in a real setting. Even in a place like Bologna's middle market, where the cooking areas are small but there is a very high footfall,
the first one is a Naboo, and the second one in the pastry.
Using this technology makes everything much easier and more straightforward.
Aroma by Naboo. So you know what? We saw a lot of things, but now we also take a coffee too.
Thank you.
Ci puoi fare due caffè, per favore?
It was great seeing Naboo at the center of things.
This is the last site where we are, and we can proceed our visit also to see other things in the world. How was the tour? Did you like it?
Yes, very.
Very good. So we can continuously here in our journey to Bologna and to see which are the other things that we can discover in this city. You like Bologna?
Very amazing.
Oh, good.
It's my town, you know.
Especially in the summertime. Here we are, John. We are in Bologna, in Novotel. And here we have installed two devices, two Naboo. And we will see today how we operate with them, how the chef is using it. They also make a lot of marketing, catering, and we will see what is going on here.
After looking at a simple, fast service like a food court, we went on to visit the Ristorante Brunello at the Novotel in Bologna. This was my chance to see Naboo in action, in the kitchen of an international hotel chain.
Good morning. John, nice to meet you.
So, here we have two new...
I realized how Naboo can help a chef to organize his work more productively and increase quality.
So what do you think, John? Is it amazing device? Would you like to try it?
Could I?
All my doubts vanished. Naboo was what I was looking for. Naboo, the pleasure of a new experience.